All right, seventh graders, this is lesson 29, section 17, converting between fractions and decimals. All right, number 62 says 6 divided by 1,000. Now remember, there's two ways to do this. The easiest way to do it for you, without using the shortcut, is to just divide. Divide. If you divide every single time, you will get it right. Okay, so this is inside, outside, so 6 divided by 1,000. Okay, so 1,000 can't go into 6, can't go into 60, can't go into 600. 1,000 can go into 6,000 one time. So your answer is 6 thousandths as a decimal. Another way that you could have done that one was to write the number 6 and to realize that every whole number has a decimal to the right of it. And when you have a denominator that has all zeros in it, sorry, not all zeros, because 200 would have zeros, but is a factor, like a multiple of 10, so 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, you can count the number of zeros. And when you're dividing, which this is a fraction, another form of division, you move left. So 1, 2, 3. We need 2 placeholder zeros, and you get the same answer. All right, let's look at number 63. Number 63 says 9 divided by 100. Again, you can divide. Go ahead and put a decimal after every whole number and line it up. 0 cannot go into 100. Sorry. 100 goes into 9 0 times. 100 cannot go into 90. Add another 0. 100 can go into 900 9 times. Okay. Again, you could have just added the 0 here. 9 over 100. There's 2 zeros. 1, 2. Your answer is 9 hundredths or 0.09 as a decimal. All right, number 64 is a mixed number that's already written as a decimal. So your whole number here does not change, so you're going to keep the 4. And then for your fraction, there are 2 places to the right of the decimal. So 2 zeros would be 100, and then 45 goes on the top. So that's how you would write that number as a mixed, or that's how you would write that decimal as a mixed number. Number 65 reads as 3 hundredths. So how would you write that as a fraction? Okay, put a thing here so you don't get confused. All right. Again, there are 2 numbers to the right of the decimal, so you need 2 zeros in the bottom, 1 in front, so 100, and then 3. This is where decimal place value really comes in handy. If you want to use a decimal place value chart, that's fine. It'll tell you tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Okay, and then you can place the numbers, and it'll read for you that way and let you know how to write the fraction or the decimal. All right, number 66 reads as 5 tenths. Okay, you have 1 number to the right of the decimal, so 1 0 is going to be 10, and 5 is your numerator. So this is how you would write 5 tenths as a fraction. That's the end of this video.